We can do dozens of these flights simultaneously in order to fulfill hundreds of orders per day. And all of this can be completed in under an hour from order to delivery. And just to give you a sense of that scale, right now we're making a delivery about every 3 minutes in Africa.
In the aftermath of Cyclone Idai in March 2019, WFP used drones to enable the government of Mozambique to carry out a rapid disaster mapping. And in just 2 or 3 days, over 70,000 high-resolution images were captured to inform the relief operations. This was nearly half the time that would have been required to conduct a manual damage assessment.
How are we treating the data that we might be collecting through these mechanisms, especially in insecure environments, right? Like these might be really amazing data, but how are we managing and handling that data? In conflict zones, whether it's Yemen, Ukraine, or these kinds of situations, this data could be sensitive.